been on my mind. Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Hey darling, I love it when it's me and you, on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Ooh. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Yeah, we only get one life. I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. I can be anything, whatever you want me to be. I look in the mirror, who's looking back at me? I don't know what happened, guess we weren't meant to be. I know we had problems, I thought we could fix them, but we got tired. There's nothing left to do but to say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you, and it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you.
Hello everybody, good afternoon. It's almost evening. We are going to try the FCU by Winwing, and we're going to try it on the Toliss Airbus A330-900 or the A330neo. Hello, hello. Uy, bakit wala? Yan. How are you guys? And wala palang music. Yan, may music na.
That we both know couldn't work, so we should try to say goodbye. You know we had our problems, so now we have to try to move on. Baby, you and me were so messed up together.
First of all, we'd like to welcome everyone na nandito ngayon. And hello, Sky, the virtual pilot. Mark Lawrence, Aldrin Hubert. Yan, Cebu 8599er Heavy. Call sign pala yun. Good afternoon, FLCH. Aldrich, hi Captain, miss your vlogs and streams. Watching your stream while doing my assignment. Uy, prioritize your assignment. Kumusta na everybody? And okay lang ba yung audio natin? Okay lang ba yung audio natin? Okay lang yung balance ng audio sa music? Good afternoon, Calvin. Sun flight natin yan. We'll try to fly to Cebu from Manila. Maiksi lang yung flight, but what I want to test is if this FCU by Winwing is going to work well here sa Toliss A330. Kita nyo ba? Ayan, yung nasa baba. Ayan. And we are... Sige, umpisahan na natin. Pero hindi ko na ipapakita kung paano isinet up yung ano, yung ating eroplano. Kala ko Dubai, oh my god, that is so malayo, matagal yun, Dubai. 10 oras, 9 hours. Yan ang ating A330-900 or the 330 Neo. This is made by Toliss and this is the new version kasi naglabas sila ng bagong version. I think only yesterday. Yeah, nilabas nila yung version na to. So, parang may mga improvements dun sa changelog. Marami silang in-improve, inayos. And kasama na dun yung mga na-observe natin previously on our previous live stream. They corrected a lot of things to make this as realistic as possible. Yan. Ganda ng texture sa cockpit ng version 1.0.1, yes. Although, I don't think I'm maximizing everything because I only have 3070, which is considered to be an old GPU now. Maybe I should upgrade my GPU. Sabihin natin yan sa asawa ko. Hello, Captain. Cadet Kurt po. Here. Hello, Kurt. Nice to see you seaming. Yeah, I'm going back to seaming. I'm going back to testing some new gear. As you can see at the bottom of your screen, that's our Winwing FCU. Paano? Yeah, man. Natin. Yeah, and that's the Winwing FCU with the EFIS control unit. I got the whole thing kasama yung sa kabila. Yan. But now, dito lang muna tayo kasi yan lang naman ang gagalawin natin. We'll see if this is going to work with with the bakit tayo magano nito? Yun. Airbus 330. Ooh. By the way, how's our stream, guys? Okay pa naman sa ngayon? Hindi naman nag-i-stutter? Isa po sa mga OG 2021-2022 yan. Hello, Cebu 859er Heavy. Ano pong feeling nung Winwing? Halos same po ba sa real cockpit pag pinipihit? Yes. It looks almost the same. It feels almost the same. I had a problem with this. When I got it, it's not working well. Maybe there's something wrong with the programs in my PC. Pero ang ginawa ko, I installed a fresh, clean install of Windows. So, I think some programs are conflicting with the program that I need for the Winwing FCU. So, it was very sluggish. Some buttons were not working. If it works, it's like really delayed. But after installing after making a fresh install of Windows, then everything is working fine, flawlessly. Hopefully, hindi niya siya bumalik. Okay? Sige, umpisahan na natin. Subukan natin para makita ninyo yung yung sample. Yan, katulad niyan. Pag pinipihit mo yung lagay natin sa saan ba? Yan. Can you see it? Kita ba? Alright. So, pag pinipihit natin yung ayan, gumagana yung altitude knob. So, lagay natin sa 4,000 heading, magana din. Galing, no? Ayan. Speed, wala pa kasi hindi pa tayo nagano. Alright. So, yung pagpihit ng mga to, magana din. Range, very good. Wala namang stutter yung stream. I think sobrang delayed ko. I mean yung latency. Anyway. Let's go. Bukan natin. And na-setup ko na to. So hindi na natin isi-setup para makalarga tayo para malaman natin kung gagana siya on flight. Cockpit preparation checklist. Gear pins and covers removed. Fuel quantity. It's 20,000. 19,900. Seatbelts. On na ba yung seatbelts natin? Seatbelts on. Hindi pa pala. Yan. ADIR snub. Baro ref. QNH. 1006. Hindi pa natin ayos. 1006. Yan. Dito sa hindi na natin kailangan kasi meron na dito sa FCU. Yan. 1006. Alright. Cockpit preparation checklist complete. Before start checklist. Beacon on. At dahil naka-drains na tayo, yan. Ayusin natin sa ATC Auto. 4-star checklist. Parking brake set. Takeoff speeds and thrust. So, takeoff speeds and thrust. 140, 140, 142. Flex 68. When po kayo magpapasyal sa AAG, yan, naka-AAG cup tayo. Probably pagkatapos ng lipad ko from Dubai, baka next month. Hindi ko pa alam. May lipad pa kasi ako eh. Windows closed, beacon on. And before start, checklist complete. Alright. Tawagin na natin si Wala pala tayong nito. Yan. Walang tunog yung natin. Tawagin na natin si pushbacker. Plan muna natin. Let's plan our pushback. Gabi na. We'll be taking off 2-4. We are not on VATSIM, by the way, because I haven't configured pa ang aking VATSIM X-Pilot, because like what I said earlier.
Ground to cockpit, plan acknowledged. Call me through the menu when you are ready.
Alright. Let's go.
Ground to cockpit, tow is driving up.
Where's the toll track? Ayun. Volanta po kayo. Parang Flight Radar 24 for flight sims. Naku, wala. I'm so outdated. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung Volanta. Sige. Kain muna natin to. We are going to push back. Let's see. And I already installed the new version of ano to? Better pushback. Tama ba ako? Better pushback ko. Tama. I didn't know that I was using the old one, which had a lot of problems. And now it's improved.
Okay, all doors and hatches are closed. Ready to
I am a
connect.
BATSIM. I do want to go to BATSIM, but like what I said, I installed a new Windows operating system, a clean install, and I just finished configuring everything for the flight sim. I haven't installed the VATSIM yet, the X-Pilot. On our next stream, yon, nasa VATSIM na tayo. But right now, I just want to make sure that this thing will work, the Winwing FCU, if it works with the Airbus 330neo, because they also just released the compatibility with the Toliss Airbus 330neo. All right.
So connected and bypass pin inserted. Release parking brake.
Okay, park brake released. Oh, release na. I think naka-ano pa yung chocks. Kaya hindi siya. Yan, chocks off.
Starting pushback, and you may start engines.
Alright. Default, yes. Default. Hindi ko pa nga nailagay yung scenery ng for Manila. Everything is default scenery on the X-Plane 12 because I didn't have time. I was installing everything since last night. I think natulog ako gabing-gabi na. Alas 12 na yata ako natulog dahil nga nireformat ko yung buong PC kasi ang bagal na talaga eh. Hindi na gumagana ang daming hindi gumagana, ang daming hindi tama. So yun, kinailangan kong mag-install ng bagong Windows, clean install talaga. Nag-visit ako sa flight deck nung 3900 nung 23, tapos medyo wobbly engine 1 thrust lever nun. Ayos na ba? Wobbly? Hindi ko alam. That's what I flew from Sydney 3900. Okay naman. Wobbly? Okay naman yung nung nilipad ko siya, hindi naman sira. Baka naayos na. Kailan yan? 23. Okay na. Kasi nung nilipad ko, kailan ba ako lumipad? 25. Kaya 25 ako lumipad nun from Sydney to Manila. Kailan naglipad mo sa totoong eroplano? It's going to be on 31 going to Dubai, Manila, Dubai. 5J014. Yes, that's my next flight. So when you fly long haul, it's not like flying on the nako. Ayan, katulad niya, nakakalimutan ko pa lang to. Sige, start muna tayo. Hindi ko pa pala na-keybind tong mga kailangan kong i-keybind. So dito na lang sa screen na lang. Okay. Number crosses, starting engine 1.
Operation complete. Set parking brake.
Okay. Brake set.
Disconnecting tow. Stand by.
Nakakalimutan ko na mag-start. Yan. Dubai vlog naman sir, sige subukan natin. Pero 014 madilim kasi, okay lang, subukan natin mag-vlog kung hindi masyadong busy. Sayang ka, last time saw you RPLL. Flew RPBI, dapat pala nagpapikaw sa'yo. Oo naman, just approach me. Hindi naman ako suplado. Yan. Okay, mamaya na tayo mag-disconnect. At ano, yan, may mga bago na yung yung better pushback. Mamaya na tayo mag-disconnect pag naka-start na talaga lahat. Yan. I have a question. Is it okay to finish my flight hours in 1 month, or would it be okay kahit few hours per month? I'm paying for my own tuition po kasi. Depends. If you fly a lot, that means you have a lot of opportunities to learn. But if you keep on flying and you're not absorbing what you're supposed to absorb when it comes to handling and all the knowledges that you need, then medyo dahan-dahanin mo, i-pace mo. Pero ang lipad kasi, katulad ng like everything that needs your motor skills, the more you fly, the better you get, the more proficient you get. That's the secret sa pagpapalipad. Okay, starting engine 2. May konting echo. Oy, baka naririnig niyo yung ko. Alam ko na. Ito kasing headset ko. Kasi open back. Baka yun yung Ganyan ba? Nag-e-echo pa rin. Ay alam ko na. Baka dito sa natin. Tanggalin ko kaya muna to. Ganyan ba? Okay na? Wala nang echo. I think sa last flight was October 19. Okay na po. Goods na po audio. Yan, doon nga sa OBS. Yung setup ko sa OBS. Fix na echo, Captain. Yeah, I think sa OBS. Mali yata yung ginawa kong kasi nga I just installed everything, nakakainis. Were there times, Captain, you experienced alpha floor? No. Nakakatakot yun sa aabot ka ng alpha floor. In sim, yes. Hopefully naman wag mangyari sa totoong buhay. Kasi ibig sabihin may ginawa tayong mali, diba? Alright, avail. Right. Overhead. APU bleed off. This is problem kapag mag-isa ka. Gagawin mo lahat. Config 2. Tama ba? Config 2 ba tayo? Yes, tama. Config 2. Sa 330, you are not going to manually adjust the THS. It adjusts automatically. Supposed to be 29.3. See there? 29.3 tama. Alright. Status normal. Alright. Good evening, everybody. Good evening who just came in. We are going to fly to Cebu, Mactan, Cebu. After start checklist. Teka pala. Hindi ko pa pala siya napano. Sige, pa-disconnect na natin. Kalimutan ko na si Sana siya? Nag-disconnect na ba? Yon. It's disconnecting. Wanna confirm, sa totoong 330, slippery din ba controls? Medyo mahirap slow down sa approach. Yes, one thing about 330 is it's a lot more difficult
is disconnected and bypass pin has been removed. Hand signal will be on the left. We'll see you next time. Have a safe flight.
All right, thank you very much. Compared to the 320, 321, because the 330 is a big aircraft. So it has a lot of momentum. Plus, especially the Neo, yung pakpak niya is very efficient. So it's very, very difficult to control the speed. What I mean is, it's very difficult to reduce the speed. So you have to plan ahead. Yun yung ano niyan. Is the pay better po ba sa 330? Depends on the company. In our own, yan, hand signal given. Okay, checklist muna tayo. After start checklist, anti-ice off, ecam status check, pitch trim, it's 29.3. Tama ba? 29.3, 29.3, check. Rudder trim, check natin. 0. After start checklist complete. So since we are alone, mag-flight controls check na tayo dito. How much dyan? Ano yung how much dyan sa instrument panel mo? Yung alin? Flight controls check. Pull up. Pull down. Neutral. Full left. Full right. Neutral. Rudder. Sa 330, yung rudder, dahan-dahan. Hindi ka tulad sa 320 na pwede mong iwas-iwas. Full left. Full right. Neutral. Alright. Guys, sinong nakakaalam nito? Itong, nakita nyo tong green dito? Yan. Yung rudder travel limiter. Pag nasa ground, ganyan yan, maluwang. Pag nasa ere, makitid na lang yan. Bakit makitid pag nasa ere? Yan. Let's go. Ay, may flow pa pala. Sorry naman. Yan. Nakakalimutan ko na tuloy. Mag-isa kasi ako. Auto brake max. Terrain on ND. Yan. Takeoff config. Alright, taxi checklist. Flight controls check. Flap setting. Config 2. Radar and predictive wind shear on in auto. Ecam memo. Takeoff, no blue. Cabin, ready. And taxi checklist complete. Okay, let's go. Taxi na tayo. Nako, hindi ko pa pala nakibain tong mga ilaw ko. Yan, taxi lights. Let's go to runway 24. Kamusta buhay-buhay? Okay naman so far. Hello Hans. Hello Mick Gel, official YouTube. Let's go. Baka malaglag yung ating iPad. Mahal yan. Alright. Clear left side. Clear right side. Let's go taxi. Smart ko naman tayo, Kap. Uy, smart ko, sabi ni Nick F. Pag naayos ko na lahat, yes, mag-smart ko tayo. Sa ngayon, ang hirap eh. Okay, brakes check. Pressure 0. Yan. Hi Captain, what's your reminder na naka-align yung nose wheel sa center line? May naka-ano talaga yan, nasa libro. Yan, pag nasa kapitan ka, ito. Yan, if you want to be on the center line, you see your PFD. Between your PFD and your ND, this part. Yan, kukunin niya lang. Hindi sa gitna, yung medyo dito sa naka-align sa yung kung saan nakalagay yung 1FD. Yan, ganyan. 1FD, 1, itong dyan. Hirap mag-taxi kapag walang tiller. Oh. Yeah, mga ganyan. Pag sa FO side naman, dito naman, sa kabila. Shout out Francis Fredeluces. Uy, a very familiar name. Hello everybody. We are going to fly today to Cebu. And we are going to try if this Winwing FCU, Winwing pala, lagi ako nabubulol. Winwing FCU is also compatible with the Toliss A330-900, which is a very new aircraft. Ayan. Okay, dito. Oh, gumagana lahat, di ba? Ayan, nawala na ako sa center line. Hirap mag-isa. Break. Yan, Cebu call sign po ba? Wala ako sa VATSIM eh. Yan, kaya wala, hindi na ako nagra-radyo. Hindi ako naka-online. Pero real world weather and real world yung time. Is higher flex setting meaning lower thrust? You mean higher number? If it's, say for example, flex 68, like what we are using right now, 68 ba tayo? Compared mo sa flex 45 is a higher flex setting. Ibig sabihin, mas malakas yung makina mo. Clear left side, clear right side. We are just using the default scenery of X-Plane 12. Hindi ko pa nailalagay yung scenery nung Manila ulit. Yan. Captain, kala ko ikaw captain namin sa 561-3905 last October 19 to Mactan. Nako, hindi. Good evening, John Philip. John Philip Gika. Hello, good evening. Tingnan nga natin. Ayan. O, tingnan natin kung naka-center line tayo ha. O, see, naka-center line tayo, di ba? Tama yung reference ko. Yan. Parang dyan sa 1FD1, 1FD2 na FMA. Yan, dito banda. Yan, pag nandyan, itong line na yan. Center line ko niyan. Hello, John Philip Gika. Thank you very much for the gift. Yan. Thank you naman sa mga nabibigay dyan. Pero you don't have to. But I really appreciate it. Thank you for helping out. And ibibili natin ng mga gamit yan para lalo pa tayong makapag-stream ng mabuti at makapagbigay ng mga information sa inyong lahat. Thank you very much, John Philip Gika. May lipad ba kayo ng Hong Kong? Wala na eh. I don't have any schedule. I have a schedule going to, I think, Singapore next month. But Hong Kong, usually, yeah, we fly Hong Kong using the 330. 272, 110, yan, mga 330 yung mga gumagamit niyan eh. Gusto ko pa rin po sana mag-flight sim, pero where is the best to learn for sample setting of the MCDU? Ang dami sa YouTube. There are a lot of tutorials already in YouTube. Yan. Saka yung mga previous natin. Tingnan mo yung mga previous tawag dito. Stream natin. Yun, meron dun eh. Mga kung paano tayo nag-setup ng MCDU. Pero there are a lot of tutorials already sa YouTube. Have you flown 330 in real life? Yes, that's what I fly right now. I've been flying the Airbus 330. Most of the 330 that we have, or wala na pala, we don't have any CEOs anymore. We only have 330 NEOs on our fleet. So for the past 1.5 years, I've been flying the 330 in real life. I no longer fly the 320. Clear left side. Okay, stop muna tayo dito para because I'm all alone. Let's do the uh, lineup checklist. Ay, hirap naman ito. Lineup checklist, ATC. Pwede naman na dito para diretso na. Yan, TARA and strobe lights on. Cabin crew, prepare for cabin crew to take off stations. Takeoff runway 24. TCAS, TARA, PAC 1 and 2 on. Lineup checklist complete. Let's go. Wala naman tayo sa VATSIM. Bakit brake pan yung inano ko? Terrain on ND dapat. Kita nyo na yan. Brake fan yung napindot ko kanina. Nakita ko dito may brake fan eh. Mahirap po ba talaga mag-isa? Mahirap. Mahirap mag-isa. Tsaka you will never fly 330 or any Airbus aircraft na mag-isa in real life. That will never happen unless it's an emergency. But hindi mangyayari yun kasi minimum crew requirement to fly this aircraft is 2. Clear left side. Okay. Tulad nito, hirap mag-taxi dito. I don't have any tiller so I'm just using the rudder. Yan, take off muna tayo ha. Alright. Recently, it took PMA. Alam ko po, napakatagal pa pero let's get it. My license sa Air Force. Oh, don't go to PMA with the mindset that you're going to leave PMA and then go to the airlines. Kasi mahirap yun. When I was in PMA and I was an Air Force pilot, I was already set to retire. However, because of a lot of things and needs and responsibilities, that's the reason why kinailangan kong umalis. The scenery here, the texture is not bad, huh? For a default sa X-plane. Okay, gitna muna tayo. Alright. Ayan. Pabig ko pa. Alright. Tapos na tayo sa Takeoff. Landing lights on. Takeoff light on. Alright. Let's take off. Brakes. Off. Take off. Stabilize. Go. Manflex 68 SRS runway auto thrust blue. Napakahirap kontrolin itong eroplanong to. Ito I mean here sa simulator ng ganito, yung pagta-taxi, pagta-take off, yung directional control napaka-sensitive eh. Kaya pitik-pitik lang sa paa. Honestly guys, if you're going to fly the real aircraft, thrust set 100 knots.
V1.
Rotate. Positive climb. Gear up. Yeah, hirap po. Runway track. Full heading. Heading. Wow. It's easier to fly with an FCU. Alright. Natin. AP1. Nice. Alright na. Lever climb. Trust climb, auto trust. Parang totoo lang talaga. Actually guys, it's easier to fly the real thing than this. Mas stable yung yung totoong eroplano. Ang hirap dito. Kasi syempre hindi ganun ka-refined yung mga flight controls. But this makes a lot of... this is a big help having a dedicated FCU. Yung glare shield mo. And the EFIS control panel. Change the rate. Oh, diba? Galing. Oh, range natin 20, 40. See? Hanep. Flaps. 1. Speed check. Flaps 1. Ano mas maganda? Toliss or Phoenix? For me, Toliss. But Phoenix, I've been flying the Phoenix also for quite some time now. Speed out star, 4,000. Okay, let's climb to 33 na. Galing. Tingnan natin kung mag-auto retract. ARS. Ayan, 200 knots. Yan. Nag-retract yung flaps natin. Let's climb. Thrust climb, open climb. Switch receiver blue. Flap 0. Speed check. Flap 0. Okay, let's go direct na. Direct to Carmo. Yan, okay. Direct Carmo, check, insert. Two-way point, Carmo. Knob. Let's see if it's going to climb knob. Yan, managed. Very good. Everything is doing fine. Everything is going well. Hello, Mark Yumoto. Nako, thank you very much for your gift, Mark. How's the performance of the default 333 in X-Plane 12? I haven't flown it, but this one, the Toliss, if you're listening, you have a very nice aircraft. And I'll check if things are going well and if things have been corrected. Because last time there are some things that I think needed to be corrected. Ano bang ano nito? Dim lang pala. Yan. Na-airlibs ako dito sa sa FCU na to. I don't know kung nakikita nyo. Tingnan nyo. Kung yung sa clear shield natin, kung papalitan ko yung ano ba? Yung ilaw pala. Yan. Yan. Yan nagdi-dimlin yung sa mismong FCU. Oh, di ba? Integral lights. Oh, nagdi-dim din, di ba? Nagba-bright din. Sumusunod siya. Ang galing. Nakakabilib. If I enter Air Force, I must stick with it. No, I'm just saying that if you have the mindset of going to the airlines by joining the Air Force, that's possible. But mas maganda kung kasi if you're going to join the Air Force, sweldo sa Air Force ngayon is not bad. 10,000 feet. Okay. Mali pala. This arm. Kaka-1 kasi. Dal-dal. Sorry naman. Ay, hirap naman ito. Off. Seatbelt signs off. And sa FO. Check. GPS primary high. QNH. Set standard. Standard cross-check. Passing level 120. Now. Hello, Fia Salvador. Thank you very much. And not bad anymore, especially if you're an officer. Yes. You know what? If I am still at this point, if I am with the Air Force, I might not go out. Ang laki na ng sweldo sa Air Force. Sobrang ganda na. Okay, we're climbing. Naku, hindi pala makita dahil gabi. Pwede bang palitan yung ano nito? Tingnan muna natin yung scenery. Ang dilim. Tingnan natin yung ano. Ay, mali. Palitan natin yung oras. Apply changes. Yun! Ang ganda. Yan. Uy, si Rob. Asan si Rob? Hi, Rob! FCU EFIS view for the win. Ha ha ha. Yun, sorry, di kita nakita yung ano mo. Yan, si Rob is one of our moderators. Mga OG yan. Does pursuing a flight attendant career or aircraft mechanic in the Philippines help me become a pilot? Actually, you don't have to. But becoming a mechanic is good. Pero yung ibang career kasi yung mechanic, ibang career din yung ano, yung pagiging flight attendant. Pero I have a lot of friends who were flight attendants before or mechanic before that continued their training to become a pilot. And it helped them when it comes to being familiar with the aircraft, being familiar with how everything works in the airline industry. So I guess it helps. Sa mga 5J339er na 459 seaters, mas mataas ang maximum takeoff weight or same MTOW lang pero restricted ang cargo load. Di ko alam. Oo nga no, di ko na ano yun. Tingnan natin. You should fly in VATSIM. Yes. Lokhan, I was supposed to fly at VATSIM. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to configure everything, my ex-pilot, because I did a clean install of Windows for this FCU to work because it wasn't working when I first installed it. It was very laggy, and I knew that there was something wrong with the programs that were installed previously prior to my purchase of this FCU. But after making a clean install, it's now really, really working good. Okay. Let's see what's happening. Okay, we are at Ligpa. Hello, Daniel Aldrich Felix. Thank you very much for the gift. Magkano pang inabot na shipping fee and how long it took to get delivered? I think shipping fee was around 71, but I have to pay tax. $71 US. Yung tax is nasa 3,700. Yan. Tapos it took them 1 week to ship everything to me. Bakit dahan-dahan lang sa radar sa flight control check? Mayroon ng ano eh. Merong natanggalan ng radar dahil ginanon niya yung sa ano. Ayun. Na baka matanggal yung mic ko. Yung tingnan niyo sa air crash investigation. I think maling ano yun eh. Maling practice before na kapag na ano sila ng wake turbulence or wind shear, ginagalaw nila yung radar. So merong piloto dati na FO, I think ginawa yun sa 330. Natanggal yung radar ng 330. Sa laki ng radar ng, just imagine how big this aircraft is, eh? Bakit wala ka vlog? Medyo busy eh. Pero well, I'm trying to go back to vlogging. But right now, let's do the stream first. Saan route nyo ngayon, Captain? Sa ano? Land lang tayo sa... We're going to land at Mactan. We'll try and see if the FLS is going to be good na. Because before, the FLS was very high when I flew the FLS to Mactan. It was very high on the approach. And part of the updates that they made for this version ng Toliss A330-900 is to adjust the FLS, and we'll see. We'll see if it will bring us to the threshold safely on a safe altitude. Ginagamit pa rin po ba ang VOR sa Pilipinas? Yes, not only in the Philippines but around the world. Does watching aircraft investigation causes you anxiety? No. No. I'm pretty sure most pilots, if not all pilots, watch air crash investigation. You know why? Because pilots are very chismoso. They're very marites when it comes to those things. They want to learn on the things that they should avoid or the procedures that they should know. That's why they watch those stuff, the aircraft investigation. Even when I was not a pilot, I was just aviation buff. I kept on watching all those episodes of aircraft investigation because I was really curious. And yung mga piloto, karamihan ng mga piloto, ang kanyan, mantra niyan is a wise man learns from his mistake, but a wiser man learns from the mistakes of others. So, yun. Yung mga nagawa na nilang mali, wag mo uulitin para hindi mo ma-encounter yung ganong klaseng sitwasyon, di ba? Ano yun? Aircraft investigation, binge watching bago umalis ng Pinas. Uy. Oo, Rob, grabe, di ba? Yan pa. Si Rob, isa yan sa mga natin, weatherman, totoong weatherman dito sa Pilipinas. Konting-konti na lang yan. Huwag kang umalis ng Pilipinas, Sir Rob, I mean, sa ibang bansa, konti na lang kayo eh. What if nag-volunteer ako mag-edit? Nako, inaalikabok ng Premiere Pro ko. Hello, Nick, thank you for the offer. Pero, masadong yun, nakakahiya naman kung, if I'm going to get an editor, probably I will post it on my page. We'll see. Because sometimes, to be honest, nagsushoot ako pero hindi ko na-edit kasi it takes time to edit the video eh. Kailan po kayo mag-vlog sa pagbabike? Ang tanungin mo dapat kung kailan ako ulit magbabike. Inaalikabok na rin yung bike ko. Kilala niyo po ba si Captain Domingo? Ang dami kong kilalang Domingo. Malamang kilala ko. Pero ang dami kong kilalang ganun. Any chance of trying out the HUD for landing? Hello, Skyler. Hindi ko pa nilagay yung HUD dito eh. Tingnan nga natin. Pwede ba natin ilagay yun sa I think we can switch that on. The HUD. HUD. Aircraft config. Yan. Brake HUD. Yes. Tingnan nga natin ang itsura ng HUD. Yun. Ano ko ibababa to? I don't have any experience flying the HUD. Yan, meron siyang meron siyang control dito. Pero honestly, I haven't flown any aircraft with a HUD because our aircraft are not equipped with this HUD or heads-up display. So I don't know how to use it. Captain, lalabas na Fly-by-Wire 380. Yeah, I watched the stream of the Fly-by-Wire 380. Let's see if we can get that one. But I don't know how to fly the 380. That's the problem. And if I'm going to fly it, and then a lot of our guys who are 380 pilots, nakakahiya. Yeah, like before, when the 340 came out, I really wanted to fly it, but I was flying it privately. I wasn't streaming it because baka ma-bash tayo ng mga totoong 330, 340 pilots eh. But now that I'm flying the 330, I know what I'm doing already. Baka Manila to Dubai muna. Oh my, ang tagal nun, 380. May mga scholarship pa sa pagiging student. Meron. Student pilots? Meron. Abang-abang lang. The Ini Builds 350 Captain for Microsoft Flight Simulator. Is it good? The Ini Builds. Also, the Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024 is about to be launched this November, right? Tama ba ako? November, no? Kala ko na gano'n na. Any news on Pilot Talk Show? Wala rin akong update eh. Nako, kapag ka nag-ano ko, chase miss yun. Pero, andyan naman sila. Ano yan? Grabe, imagine Captain, lang years na pala mula nung COVID vlog na days. Oo nga eh. Parang kailan lang, no? I started my stream before. Honestly, I got curious on this because of Sputnik. Shout out to David of Sputnik. Sabi ko, ganda ng ginagawa ni David. Subukan ko nga yun. Kasi wala rin naman akong lipad. So pwede na akong lumipad. And it helped me a lot. Because when I was, during the pandemic, we don't have a lot of flights, diba? I only flew like once a month. Meron pa nga hindi eh. Walang lipad sa isang buwan. But because I was flying on the simulator, para akong current when I was flying the 320. It's like I just flew yesterday, parang ganun. Kasi nakikita ko lahat ng mga buttons, nakikita ko lahat ng switches. Mach Alt Star, Mach Cruise Star. So, nakakatulong talaga siya. Sobra. Alt Cruise. Bakit daw palaging cancel yung flight sa 5J? Eh, may bagyo eh. Yan natin. Ang ating system. Yeah, I think Winwing is also going to release an MCDU for the Airbus. I'm really excited. If you're listening, Winwing, yeah, send me the MCDU, please. By the way, this was not sent by Winwing. I bought this. I was talking to them, but they just stopped talking to me. Maybe they got fed up. So, binili ko na lang. Dapat mong i-drag yung lever niya. Walang eh. Paano ba to? Ayaw yung eh. Saan yung lever? Hindi ko makita. Nakikita kita doon. Yan may volanta. Meron pala yun. Parang flight radar ng Hindi ko alam yun. But I promise you guys, next time, we are going to fly sa VATSIM na. Kasi mukhang naayos ko na siya eh. Yan. Okay. Since we are here, let's test. Bakit? Talagang ilaw to? Hindi lang kita. Dahil sa araw. Ay, wala oh. Bakit wala? I think... Kita nyo ba? Wala eh. Palitan nga natin yung yung araw. Padilimin natin ulit. Meron. Kala ko wala eh. Nasisilaw lang pala. Yan. Okay. Subukan natin kung maganda nga ito. Check natin. AP2. Yan. AP1. Gumagana. Alright. Gumagana yung altitude knob niya. And pareho sila ng nakikita dyan sa kung yung nandito sa FCU, yun din yung nandun sa tsaka walang lag. Before, ang laki ng lag eh. Yan. Sa mga nagtatanong, ba't ko ginagawa to? Kahit pihitin mo ng pihitin yan, basta wag mong pipindutin or hahatakin, hindi yan magre-react. Kasi naka-alt cruise na tayo. Yan, heading. Pwede rin dito. Oh, eto pwede natin to kasi speed lang naman yan. Yan. Manage. Atakin mo muna. Decimal 77. 78. Uy! Balik. 79. Okay. Manage. Ayos! Hello, Jaden Plays. The man who speaks in aviation. Hello, Captain. Good evening. Hello, everybody. Good evening. We are testing the Winwing FCU. The new product is this EFIS control unit. Itong nandito sa dulo. Yan yung bago nila. Gumagana lahat. Very good. Wala na akong masabi. Ang galing. And sinasabi ko na sa inyo guys, yung real thing, this is a 1-to-1 replica. Ganyan kalaki yung real thing. And yung mga dito, yung mga parehong pareho eh. Everything. It feels the same, it looks the same. What's your cost index for the 339? Depends. Depende sa company kung anong ilalagay nila. Pero usually nasa mga sa 339 nasa mga 40, 50. Pero nasubukan ko na rin 200. Is this a long haul flight? No, Sean. I don't have the time to fly long haul here. Maybe during my day off when I don't have a lot of things to do. Uy, malapit na pala yung TOD natin. Look at that. TOD na? Talaga? Sige. What's the latest METAR sa andito pala si Rob. What's the latest METAR? Windy. Yan natin. RPVM. 220, 3 knots. Temperature 29, 1007. Alright. Oo nga, hiningi niya na. Okay. 1007. Temperature 29. 220, 3 knots. Anong Sumabot na yata tayo sa TOD. Wala pa naman. Anong minimum sa runway 22? VM. Approach run RNP 22. Minimum LNAV 460, fast 50, 510. All right. Let's see. Ano na? Ayan, malapit na yung TOD or top of descent. Fresh na fresh. Shoutout sa mga Pag-asa staff ng Mactan Airport Station. Shoutout daw, sabi ni Sir Rob Gile. Shoutout to everybody. Pag-asa. Kayo ang pag-asa ng bayan. Magkano po bilhin nyo sa joystick? I don't have a joystick right now. I have the Honeycomb Alpha yoke. Also the Honeycomb Bravo throttle quadrant and the Honeycomb Charlie, yung rudder pedals. So I bought it sa Data Blitz. I think the Alpha cost around 15,900. Yung Bravo ganun din, 15,900. Yung rudder pedal mas mahal, nasa 21,000 yata. Yan. So that's 15 plus 21 for the whole system. Ace the landing, Captain. Oh no. I'm telling you now. Forgive me for not acing this landing. Mahirap mag-land dito. Okay, let's Bakit ba yan ginagamit ko? Meron pala tayong FCU. Yan. Let's descend first. 5,000 initially. Descend out blue. 5,000 blue. Flight level 050 blue. Is Flight Simulators easy to install on PC or laptop? Yes. It's easier right now, especially if you have tawag dito, SDD. Yan, SSD pala, SSD, solid state drive, because it's faster. And I'm using Steam, so this is all online. So I purchased the X-Plane, I purchased the Toliss, all online. I purchased the X-Plane on Steam. Have you tried the Toliss HUD? No, not yet. Somebody mentioned it a while ago. I don't know how to use it, to be honest. What max speed do you usually fly in real life? Yan, decimal 82 during cruise. Especially pag long haul yan, nasa decimal 82. Sky Medic. Ay, Sky Medic siya. Ay, doctor ka pala, sir. Sorry, doc. Sky Medic. Kaya pala no. Oo nga naman. Obviously, Sky Medic, di doktor yun, na lumilipad. Grabe. Salute to you, doc. Yan. I was looking dun sa mga when I was in Australia, yung mga Royal Flying Doctors. They're really prestigious. Grabe, yung mga doktor, hindi naman lahat doktor, pero yung Royal Flying Doctors sa Australia, parang ang taas-taas ng tingin sa kanila doon talaga. So, hello, doc. Sky Medic. Thank you, Rob, for telling me. How about the aircraft add-ons? Because I'm planning to use yung mga plugins. It's actually copy paste. Download it and then copy paste. What do you recommend? Microsoft Flight Simulator or X-Plane 11? You know what? X-Plane 12. X-Plane 12 compared to the Microsoft Flight Simulator 2020, X-Plane 12 is a lot more stable. A lot more stable. Plus, the way the aircraft flies, especially using the Toliss, yung mga add-ons na aircraft, yung mga binabayaran, payware, they fly like a real aircraft. Di ka naka-online, Captain. No, I'm just testing the FCU for now. And if I'm going to go online, baka magkalat ako online. Saan ang next flight mo, Captain? My next flight is Dubai on the 31st. Let's see what will happen here. Wala tuloy tayong music. May music ba kayo naririnig? Wala, no? Kasi mali yung pagkakagawa ko sa Walang music. How's the stream so far, guys? Is it not stuttering? Please give me feedback naman. Posible ba na magka-airplane sa future na nuclear reactor ang gamit? Parang mga parang mga tawag dito. Ba't naka-wet? Dry lang tayo. Mga ship, aircraft carrier na nuclear reactor. Pwede naman, pero baka wala lang pasahero kasi ang bigat ng nuclear reactor. Konti lang madadala pasahero. All goods, Captain. Suabe, 55 audio, 55 video. Yun, thank you very much. Thank you. Aldrich and Sir Rob. Anong pinakamarami mong holding sa 330? Honestly, wala masyado. Because the ATC here in Manila improved a lot compared before. Dati, grabe. I remember those days that we are like number 16, number 18 on the approach. But nowadays, you don't encounter those kinds of delay anymore. Yeah. During yung panahon ni hindi ko na babanggitin kasi I don't want to be talking about politics, pero merong time na it was really the worst Yes. I remember when we were flying going to Kalibo lang ha. Kalibo, ED City. It's like 3 hours, 4 hours from the time that you ask for clearance. Grabe, the worst talaga. Bakit minsan two captains na lumilipad like kunwari flights sa Sydney? Depends. Kung yung kapitan siya yung CRP or cruise relief pilot. That means that because if you're going to fly long haul like Dubai, right now 3-man crew. So kung sino yung CRP, whoever is the designated CRP, that means that he is qualified to sit on either the left or the right seat. Because not all captains are qualified to be on the right seat. Like me, I'm not qualified to be on the right seat. But there are captains who are. There are also FOs who are qualified to be cruise relief pilot. They are authorized to occupy the left seat, 20,000 and above. Hindi lang sila pwede mag-landing, pero they can occupy the left seat, 20,000 and above, and let the captain rest. So that means during those times, he is the one in command. I'm an engineering student and I want to pursue my dream like you po. I hope soon matry ko makapaglipad ng Cessna 172. Napakadami. A&D, Art Gallery. Napakadaming pwede mong subukan yung mga discovery flights. Pwede. Punta ka lang sa You can go to AAG. I don't know if they gave discovery flights on AAG. But maraming mga flight schools na ganun. Sensitive bang rudder ng hindi naman, sakto lang. Pero sa the rudder during taxi, it's difficult to taxi using the rudder on a big airplane like this, the 330. May napansin ako. This is not supposed to be like this. Look. It's telling you that you are etong donut na to. Sinasabi niya sa'yo, nasa ilalim yung donut, diba yung color green na yan? Sinasabi niya sa'yo na nasa ilalim ka ng profile. Dapat yung eroplano magi-speed up. Tingnan mo, nasa baba pa siya ng speed, diba? Dapat speed up niya yan para makuha niya yung profile na to. Kasi ibig sabihin tataas yung vertical speed mo. Pero yung nangyayari ganito. Dahil tailwind tayo. Pero dapat hindi. Yan. Sige, tulungan natin. Bigyan natin ng speed brakes. Para makuha niya kaagad yung profile. Let's descend to 4,000. Yan. Open descent. Open descent. Yun, isa pa sa mga peculiarities ng ng 330. Napakahirap patayin ng nito. Bakit ayaw mo mag-speed up? Okay, Toliss. What's wrong? Speed descent. Yung paggamit ng speed brakes dito sa 330, parang normal lang yan. Super normal. I remember sa 320 kapag ginagamitan mo rin ng speed brakes, medyo mali yung planning mo. Which is not correct actually. Pero sa 330 parang normal lang na palagi kang gumagamit ng speed brakes. Unang-una, napakahirap patayin yung speed nito, especially on a descent. Dahil mabigat siya, may momentum, ang taas ng lift coefficient ng pakpak nito. Yun, kaya ginagamitan ng speed brakes. Are there still 330 CEOs at 5J? Wala na. All that we fly right now are Neos. Non-precision approach kayo ngayon. Yes, but we're going to use the FLS because this aircraft, like the one in our company, is equipped with FLS. Ayan natin. Yan, FLS instead of final up. So FLS is like flying an ILS. Although later you will see the difference. But supposed to be, it will bring you on the right glide slope going to the threshold of the sa threshold ng destination airport. Let's change pala the time para makita natin yung landing. Alright. Kasi masyadong madilim ang X-plane. Saan po nakikita yung baro sa chart? What do you mean baro? Yung minimum? Nasa minimum. Sa baba. Depende sa chart mo. Yung iba, Jeppesen. Oh, eto pala. Pwede naman pala. Yan. Kasi meron tayong charts dito. Let's see, ha? Yung baro. Habitab. Ano yun? Oh. Ayun. And airports. Mactan. Approach. RNP 22. Ito, Jeppesen. Yan, kita nyo ba? Alright. LNAV 460. Ayan, oh. So, yan yun. 460. Since non-precision approach siya, dagdagan mo ng 50. 460. Nadagdagan mo 50, 510. So, that's why ang nakalagay dito sa atin, performance, yan, 510. Which is also reflected on your PFD. Ayan, baro 510. Ibig sabihin yan, barometric pressure yung ginagamit natin. Hindi radio altimeter. Kapag ka mga low visibility approach, yun. Sa radio naman siya papasok. Only CEO are the 320s. Yes, there are still 320s that are CEO. I think. Bakit hindi kayo qualified sa left seat? Hindi ako qualified sa right seat. Yan. Qualified lang ako sa left seat because I fly as a captain. But I don't have a training to occupy the right seat. Yung FLS captain sa 320, 321 nyo, meron din ba? Or sa 330 lang? I don't know doon sa mga bago. I'm not really sure. But before, wala eh. QNH is... Ano nga yung QNH natin? 1007. Alright. 1007. Yan. Cross check. Passing 1, 2, 3. Ito pala, hindi ko na pala. 1007. 121. Now. Alright. What's the difference between decision height and minimums? Decision height is also minimums. When you say minimums, it depends on the type of approach that you're going to do. Like, if you're going to make a non-precision approach or a precision approach. So, decision height sa mga precision, ILS, yan, decision height, ang tawag dyan. MDA naman, yung minimum na tinatawag doon sa mga non-precision approach. Like RNP, like RNAV approach, RNP, yung VOR approach, yan. NDB, yan. MDA ang tawag doon. Or minimum descent altitude. Worth po ba 330 Neo Captain? Study level na po ba siya? Yes. Yes. Worth it. Yan, 10,000. Let's do this. On. Hindi ko pala nalagay yung auto brake kanina. Bakit yan? Ay, low lang. Tapos terrain on ND. And GPS primary. Hi. Cabin crew to prepare for arrival. BHF. Is Cheska still in Subpac? Yes. Yeah. Nakakasabay ko minsan si Cheska sa ano, pag nagwo-workout. Nasa Subpac pa rin naman siya. And approach checklist. Baro ref, QNH 1007. Seatbelts on minimum. Baro 510. Runway condition dry 6. Auto brake. Low. Approach checklist complete. Alright, tingnan natin kung tama yung profile. Activate approach face. Performance. Approach face activated. Tulungan na natin para makapag-slow down na siya. Yan, katulad niya, no? You see? 31 ang ano, ang tailwind. So, hindi magdidescend ka agad to. Safe flight, Captain. Hello, thank you, Dan Seldrick. Let's descend 2,500. Open descent. Select muna natin. Hindi ka siya yun. Kala ko hindi siya mag-speed up eh. 2,400. 1,400 blue. Are the sounds good in this aircraft? Yes, I think so. Ito yung yan yung sound sa ano outside. Speed managed. Is company procedure, ano yun? Is it company procedure as well when to activate approach base, or is it normal to do it when joining base? No, it depends on a lot of things. Yan. Sa 320, I remember parang nakasulat mga 15. Pero kwan lang yun, hindi yun hard rule. It's not a hard rule. It depends. Depends on your altitude, depends on your proximity to the airport. Depends on a lot of things. Now, I'm activating the approach base because I know that I want to, like what I said before, if you're going to look, ang taas ng tailwind natin, 25 knots. Tapos, konti na lang, gold na tayo, 16. And sa Mactan, ilan na lang ba sa Mactan natin? That's 34 track distance. So, gusto ko nang mag-configure para hindi ako mabitin mamaya. Tulad niyan, di ba? Nasa green dot speed tayo. So, let's put flaps 1, speed check. Flaps 1. Yan. Gamit na naman tayo ng speed brakes kasi ang taas ng tailwind. It's really difficult for this aircraft to slow down. Ano mas prefer mo? Throttle, yung sa 320 na pa-reverse atras o yung 330 na parang I prefer the 330. It's really simple. All you have to do is to pull the levers and you know that it's already your thrust reversers. This is just a personal opinion, but for me, everything that you see on the 330 are the refinements that they did after the 320. Yun, mas na-refine nila. Yung mga tingin nila kailangan nilang i-improve sa 320, 321, ginawa nila yun sa 330. Anong advantages ng flap 3 versus flap 2 landing? I heard it's 5 days SOP. Yeah. Tipid sa fuel. Pinaka-advantage yun sa lahat. Tipid sa fuel. Medyo malikot kapag ka ano. Pero hindi ko alam pareho lang naman. Pero medyo malikot kapag ka flap 3. Saka mas mahaba yung ano. If the runway is long, you can use flap 3. If the runway is short, then there are times that you will not be able to land at flap 3. Like when I land runway 27 of Melbourne, that's too short. That's 2,300 meters only. It's a short runway for the 330. Si Galawang Tito, yes naman. Andyan pa yan. Andyan si Galawang Tito. I talk to him from time to time. Yung mga mods, katulad nila Rob Gile, sila Joshua, sila Keith. Yan, sa Malimban, may group chat kami. Mga mods natin. May I ask why di niya sinusunod yung profile even though naka-manage descent kayo? Kasi naka-open descent tayo ngayon. Yan. Pag may ma-manage natin yan, susundin niya yan. Tulad ngayon, speed descent, we should not go below 4,000. So dapat naka-manage ka. Or, hindi mo dapat ilagay sa 2,400. Tingnan natin kung hindi niya susundin. But I think it will follow it. Look, it's leveling off at 4,000 because at Golda, you should not go below 4,000. Then after Golda, it will descend to 2,400. So, alt magenta, that means that there is a constraint, altitude constraint. So, it's going to respect that. Alt constraint, see? So, it will level off at 4,000 and then after that, it goes alt constraint, descend blue. Yan. Ibig sabihin, naka-arm na yung descend mo. So, pagkatapos ng constraint, mag-ano na naman siya. Magdi-descend na naman siya. Magkano bili mo sa Winwing FCU? I think it's on their website it's around 310 plus shipping. Cost me din. Kasama yung tax kasi may babayaran kang tax. Kung ko-computein mo lahat, aabutin kaya ata ng mga 24. Ganun, lahat. Pero ngayon yata parang bumaba yan. If you're going to buy the whole thing, that's 300 thrust descend. See? Alt blue 2,400. That's for the combo na pala. The FCU and the EFIS combo. The left and right EFIS control units. That's $309 something. 24K pesos. Pwede na. Yes. For the quality of this thing, for the build quality and what it can do, sobrang mura na nun. You look at the FCU that Skalarski is selling. Kasi dati sila lang yung meron nun eh. Hanapin yung Skalarski FCU. Kung magkano ang diferensya. Malulula kayo. Di ko makakalimutan picture natin noon Manila Panglao. Josh Del Carmen. Hello Josh! Yan. Kapag gusto nyo magpa-picture, sabihin nyo lang. Naks, feeling naman masyado, Pero hindi. Pagka nakita nyo ako, you can always approach me. Huwag kayo mahihiya. Yung iba kasi nahihiya eh. Yung iba naman, paumanhin. Kasi minsan kasama ko yung mga senior ko. So, nakakahiya naman na parang ako doon na sasabihin ko sa kanya, sandali lang wag mo muna akong kausapin at merong magpapapicture. Nakakahiya naman, di ba? So, paumanhin. Cleared RNP 22 report established. Okay, thank you. When mo i-activate approach ako while entering final? Yeah, when you're about to intercept sige. When you're about to intercept on an FLS, F-Lock Star, Alt Blue, FGS Blue. When you're about to intercept the, oops, I noticed. Wala pala akong ano, kaya pala walang magenta. Sorry naman. Yan, yung dapat may magenta line dito. Hindi pa na naka-open yung, ano natin, LS. Yan. I'm still adjusting pa kasi nasa FCU dapat ako pumipindot eh. O yan, nakita nyo di ba? Double diamond siya instead of single diamond. That's the FLS. Double diamond siya. F-lock. So we captured already the localizer. There's not no localizer, but you're flying it as if you're flying an FLS. An ILS, sorry. Balang araw magiging piloto ako. Ganon din naman ako noon nung nangangarap. Alright. Tignan natin kung ano. Let's see if the FLS will work this time, because the last time I flew here at Mactan, I was really high. And part of the changes that Toliss made is to adjust the glide slope of the FLS. Let's see if it will bring us to the threshold of the runway on a safe altitude. If mag-go around, need po ba kayo mag-set ng new flight plan manually po? Hindi, no. If you make a go around, speed out star, speed FGS star, go around altitude is 4,000. No, if you go around, you don't have to file another flight plan. If you're going to your alternate airports, say you were not able to, teka, configure muna tayo. Speed check. Mali. Flaps 2. Nakalimutan ko na mag-configure. Kakadaldal ko, guys. Ayan, 2,000 na, oh. Gear down. Flaps 3. Speed check. Flaps 3. And flaps full. Speed check. Flaps full. Dapat makuha natin yung sa 1,000 feet. Makuha natin yung speed na yan. Bilisan mo. Daldal kasi ng daldal si Captain eh. Alright, pwede na yan. Subukan natin. 1,000. Check, stabilize, continue. Alright, tingnan natin kung tama. Uy, 2 reds, 2 whites. Ooh. Toliss, you continue to amaze me. Checked. Galing talaga ng Toliss. Pagdating sa minimum. Continue. Pagdating sa pagkatunay, reality ng napakagaling ng Toliss talaga. Oops. Yan, sensitive masyado yung ko. Ulo. 300. Hirap naman. Ay, ba't ganun? Mukhang 200.
Sync rate.
Wala.
Sync rate. Sync rate.
Go around flaps.
50.
40.
Mantoga SRS nav. Uy, bakit ayaw niya? Look at what's happening. Positive climb, gear up. Ayan, nag-go around tayo, di ba? Oh, bakit nag-overspeed? Wala naman eh. Naka-gear up na eh. Mali ah. AP1. $4,000. Tignan natin. Trust climb, auto trust. Yan, katulad yan, nag-go around tayo. Hindi tayo kailangan mag-file ng ano. Sabihin mo lang nag-go around ka. Parang mali yung ano. Sa baba, I don't know kung dahil sa hangin or sa ano, pero pag ganun-ganun yung flight director. Hindi ka gumagamit ng bird. Hindi, pwede namang naka-flight director. Kompleto lahat. Pwede rin naman naka-bird. Pero pahihirapan ko yung sarili ko. Hirap na nga ako eh. For content ang go around. Hindi ko sinadya yun. Isa yun sa mga napapansin ko. The last time I flew also this one. Speed check. Flaps 1. During a go around, kahit na walang overspeed condition, tumutunog yung overspeed niya. Speed check. Flap 0. Kahit mo na kinais of live surf, alpil, or scenery ko. Yun. Shoutout Captain. Sa nanay ko, Johnny Scenes. May gulay. Nakita ko yung pangalan ah. Approach tayo ulit. Tanggalin na natin yung hold. Diretso na tayo sa Lario. Insert. At ba't Lario? Ang layo pa ng Lario. GMC. Ang layo ng Lario ah. Tanggalin natin yan. Yan, GMC. BM22 Alpha. Flight plan. Huh? Saan siya pupunta? $4,000 GMC. Sige. Punta muna tayo ng GMC. Wala na dapat tong gold ah. Yan. Alright. Kapag nag-go around ba sa BM, binibigyan mo kayo ng visual approach option instead of miss approach procedure para shorter yung traffic pattern. Sometimes they will vector you because in Mactan it's also a radar environment. They have an approach in Mactan. So you can be vectored instead of doing the whole miss approach procedure. Bibigyan ka ng heading, i-vector ka para mas mabilis. Pwede mangyari yun. May CR ba captain sa loob ng 330? Ang dami. Super dami. Activate approach base. Approach base activated. Tingnan natin hanggang sa pinakadulo. Hanggang sa minimum. Kung tama yung or pangit lang yung controls ko. Ano yun? Sayang S2. Tower pa lang VATSIM rating ko. Nakasusunod pa yung training ko for approach. Sobrang daming ganap. Grabe no? Yung mga nasa VATSIM, believe din ako sa inyo guys. Mahirap kaya yun? Okay, flaps 1, speed check. Flaps 1. May new 350 po ba ang PAL? Hindi ko alam. Meron ba? Yan, isa sa mga pangarap kong paliparin eh. 350. Hirap na hirap tong naka-level off na nga eh. Hirap na hirap pa rin siyang mag-slow down. Do you have to qualify for certain training before you could land to different airports here in Philippines? Especially yung mahirap yung approach such as Cat 3. We don't have any Cat 3 approaches here in the Philippines, but there are some special airports here in the Philippines that you need training before you can land, like Virac, Cotabato, yan. Yung mga company na kinategorize nila na category Charlie, or depende yun sa company pero dito sa atin yun. Kailangan mo ng special training. Especially dati sa Virac, kailangan mo ng simulator training doon bago ka i-release para makaland doon. Okay. Flaps 2, speed check. Flaps 2. Next altitude is 2,400. Tingnan natin. Yun. Thrust descend, speed descend. Alt magenta. Ayos. Ibig sabihin, nirespect niya yung constraint. Is this done sa SIM or direct but with first officer and PIC backup? There are some airports na kailangan sa SIM. Meron ding airports na pwede naman diretso. Actually, yung Virac pwede naman i-diretso yun. Hindi mo na kailangan sa simulator gawin. It's either you go to the simulator or you fly their actual flight with flight instructor. Okay, let's do the approach. FGS blue, F-lock blue. F up. Your thoughts are runway 24 sa Virac? Oh, that's challenging. Yeah, I think I landed there twice in my whole career. Napaka-challenging. You have to go really close. F-lock star, thrust descent. Really close sa sa bundok. Believe talaga ako dito. This FCU, if you are really into flight simulators, especially flying the Airbus aircraft, this FCU by Winwing is a must. Yan. Rating ko siguro dito mga 10 out of 9.5 out of 10 F-lock. Captain, nahirapan ka ba mag-adjust nung nag-transition ka from 320 to 330? May challenge pero hindi ko sasabihin na sobrang hirap kasi yung most of what you do on the 320, it's the same thing that you do on the 330. You only have to adjust especially on taxi, and then of course yung flare sa landing because 330 is a bigger aircraft. It's a taller aircraft compared to the 320 and 321. It's a bit sluggish, but since I was flying the 321, the 321 is like in the middle of the 330 and the 320 when it comes to flight control response. Medyo sluggish yung 330 eh. Pero other than that, mas challenging yung mga bagong technology. Like using CPDLC because we didn't have any CPDLC sa namin sa 320 dati. Gear down. Flying EDTO or ETOPS, it's the same thing. Yun, yung mga kailangan mong i-perform when you're flying EDTO, mga new regulations when it comes to oceanic flights, Those are the challenges. But controlling the aircraft is like hindi naman ganun kalaki. From the 320 to 330 because it's almost the same. The layout of the instruments are almost the same. It's like 99% the same. Pwede ko yung mag-flaps 1 take off sa 330? Yes. Actually, most of the time we take off at flaps 1. Because most of the runways that we fly out of are long runways. So, pwede yung flaps 1. Speed out star. Speed FGS star. Go around altitude. 4,000. Flaps 3. Speed check. Flaps 3. Flaps full. Speed check. Flaps full. Pinakamahirap na plane na pilot nyo po. Pinakamahirap. Cessna 172. Kasi yun yung wala ka pang alam. Airbus, ang challenge sa Airbus yung tawag dito, yung procedures, yung system knowledge, kasi bagong eroplano, fly-by-wire siya instead of conventional aircraft. Pero syempre, ang pinaka-challenging sa lahat ng piloto, yung nag-uumpisa pa lang siya. VATSIM yan, Captain. No. Hindi tayo sa VATSIM kung hindi nakagulo na tayo. Hirap na hirap akong kontrolin to Sige, tingnan natin. Hanggang sa dulo ng walang hanggan. Hanggang sa dulo. Yung pinaka hanggang sa minimums. Or balik side stick na ba, Captain? Binili ko kasi itong yoke kasi gusto kong turuan yung anak ko. I want to teach my son how to fly. 1,000 stabilize. Yan. Check, stabilize, continue. Because I want to teach my son how to fly Cessna. So I want him to feel how it yung yoke mismo. But there are advantages on flying the stick. Unang-una, wala kang control sa harapan mo. Daling kumain, may lamesa. Saka maluwang yung cockpit. How old? Is like 16? Going on 17. Let's see. Under the bob check. Continue. Sige, tuloy natin ha. Tingnan natin kung mag-iiba yung profile niya. Disconnect AP for landing. Let's just disregard that. See, it's already 3 whites. Pero hindi naman kasi rated to ng 300. Tama lang naman. Mukhang tama lang. 200. Ayan. Ganun nga yung nangyari. Sige, land na natin to. 100. Ganun nga yung nangyari kanina Nasa tabi. 50, 40, 30, 20. Bayan, tabingi pa yung... Tabingi yung... Pero sa bagay kasi hindi naman rated sa gitnang-gitna talaga to. Manual. Brake. Hindi tayo gumamit ng reversers. Pero tabingi. Paling. It's supposed to be in the middle. Dapat. Pero hindi naman siya rated na dire-diretso hanggang sa lampas ng minimums, which is yung ginawa natin kanina. Gusto ko lang makita kung i-maintain niya yung gitna. Hindi Tapos mataas siya, di ba? Nag 4 whites. 4 whites yung poppy. Pero wala pang 50 feet. Alright. Since we're not on the VATSIM, let's just stop here. Ayan, tingnan natin kung Kung gitna natin. Gigitna ako kasi may nagtanong kanina paano yung reference mo. Yan, ganyan. Yan. Ayan, nakita nyo yung puti. Nakita nyo to? Halos nandito. Tingnan natin sa labas kung center line tayo. Almost. Di ba? Ay. Basta itong ano to. Itong linya na to. Diyan ko inaano yung gitna. At nasa center line ka. Alright. Tingnan natin. Ano nga yung pinipindot sa ano? Sa Alt R ba yun? Alt R. Ayun, Alt R nga. Tingnan natin yung ating ano? Napaka-lax na landing. Gusto ko makita yung yun. Default, yes, default RPVM, Rob. Sana may VATSIM stream. Next stream natin sa VATSIM tayo. Kasi ibig sabihin nun, aayusin ko na. Kasi ngayon kasi hindi ko pa naayos lahat eh. Yun, landing gear. Forward natin konti. Magkano bili mo sa 330 Neo? No, this one was given to me by Toliss for me to review. I was flying it even when it was still on the beta version, beta phase. So, binigay talaga ng Toliss to para ma-review ko. So I did not pay for this. Toliss gave it to me for free, but I'm not obligated to say anything good about it. I'm free to say all the things that I want to say when it comes to this aircraft. There are some glitches before, but I think they managed to fix it. But right now, the FLS is not that good. Nakita niyo naman kanina nung minanamano natin, para siyang pag ganun yung yung glide slope niya. Tapos yun din yung mataas siya. Pero hindi katulad before talaga, sobrang taas. But right now medyo na-adjust na nila, pero kulang pa din eh. Sinubukan din natin, 'di ba? Saka hindi siya sa gitna. Yan natin. Yan, tinula ko na yan kasi mantaas na eh. Kaya nakita niyo medyo nagbaw. Oh. Bitin nga natin. Galing talaga nitong replay ng Galing talaga nitong replay ng X-Plane. Walang sinabi yung replay ng Microsoft Flight Simulator. Alright. Isa pa. Kabilang angle naman. Let's go back. Saka nakakita ng aeroplano na maatras. Medyo nag-glitch dun banda, no? Ayan, wala sa gitna. Gitna ng PFT at saka ND, try mo Captain, center line siya. Oo, ganun sa sa explain. Yung gitna ng PFD at saka ND. In real life, hindi ganun. Nasa libro yun. Pero dito ganun pala. Thank you. Mark Christopher Lumbay. Oh no, I'm too late. No, you're not. We're just about to finish. But you're here. That's the most important thing. All right. Thank you guys. Yan, di ko natatapusin ng hanggang sa parking. Pero dito na lang. Kitang-kita nyo. And for those of you who are thinking to buy the FCU, yan, pakita natin. Yan yung buong FCU. Oh. Teka lang. Lakihan nga natin. FCU. Yan. That's the whole thing. Yung FCU. Parang tunay, no? Yan. Before that, I was using this, the Stream Deck Plus. Yan. Pero ito. Tapos X keypad. Maganda rin yun. Pero syempre, iba pa rin yung tunay na katulad nito. Na talagang replica. Ang galing. Yan. I highly recommend it. This is not a sponsored video by Winwing. But I highly recommend for those of you who would like to fly the Airbus on the simulator, especially on the X-Plane, or the Phoenix A320, then I highly recommend it. The only difference with this and sa papakita natin. Ay, sandali lang. Nakaano pa pala tayo. Naka-replay pa pala tayo. Tanggalin muna natin yung replay. Yan. Ayan. Kita nyo na ba? Yan. Hahawakan ko na lang tong camera. Ha? Ang difference lang na nakikita ko sa pagkakaalam ko if you're going to look at the EFIS, this one, merong engine. Yan. Sa 320 wala. Ayan. Yan. Sa Rose. Hanggang plan lang. Yan. Hanggang plan lang. Wala nang engine. Sa 330, yan. Meron pang engine. Tapos, yung expedite button sa 320. This one, expedite. On the 330, alt na yan. Alt button instead of expedite. Walang expedite button sa 330. So, yun lang. I highly recommend it. Orderin nyo na. Pwedeng i-pre-order. Wala akong affiliation dyan. Pero napakaganda. So, subukan nyo na. Alright guys, thank you very much. Yan, ang topic ko pa. Thank you. Captain, ano pong rating nyo sa Phoenix? Phoenix is good also. Sobrang laki na ng improvement ng Phoenix. At saka Microsoft Flight Simulator, when it comes to textures, when it comes to yung visuals, maganda talaga yung Microsoft Flight Simulators. Pero when it comes to physics of the aircraft, how it handles, maganda pa rin yung X-Plane para sa akin. Alright guys, thank you very much for joining me. Yan, meron pa tayong libreng go around. Kasi naman ito ang taas-taas likot-likot, di ba? Hindi ako yun joke lang. Ako yun. Yan. Thank you very much for joining me. Until next time, see you around. Fly safe, ride safe. Thank you. Safe skies, hello. Thank you. Hindi tayo matatapos. Kain na, hapunan na. Thank you guys.